Well, we're going up to the top.
Yep.
Look at that down there. Let's get up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? Can't hear you.
Oh, he's playing a shooting game. Oh my god. It's gonna shoot us.
Yeah.
Tell us. Okay. We can't shoot us now. Money everywhere?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I got it. So, oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Wow, you can't even see our house. A rock. Safe house.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. What? All right. Go this way, Lexi. What? Okay, climb up. What?
Don't come up.
Come on.
This is a tree house.
Yep. Hurry, get in. 'Cause then you're much safer up here.
Oh my
Ooh,
god.
look how high up we are.
I'm scared.
Me too, but
Hey, this is just a shooting thing.
wanna head back down?
Oh, yes.
You wanna go down first?
No, I can't make it. It's okay. It's okay.
Got it?
Ah.
You got it?
I got it. Wait. Got the stairs.
You got
Yay,
it?
I did it. Woo. we find this?
Hmm?
How do we find this too?
I don't know. Just like that and aim it.
Here's Justin. Yes. Oh my gosh. Are you gonna make it? Oh my, oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Deepies. Ah! Oh no! It's gonna make it! Megamind, what are you doing? It's gonna climb? Oh my gosh! Yeah. Jump off, or else you get hurt with your knee again. Oh my gosh! Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This way? Or just... Oh my gosh.
You still see me?
I can still see you.
Your finger's blocking it.
Oh my gosh.
How should I get down now, huh?
Uh-oh. I think you're gonna stay down there. That's okay, I just got it by myself. So... Oh. Okay. Oh my god! Oh, that hurts! Don't look at this. You can look at it, but don't look at it.
All these things are, look at me. All these things are more stronger than you think.
Okay, Justin, do I think you're gonna hurt? Oh, no. There he is.
All right.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, just a bit. There.
Kate, come down.
I
I don't think Mama's wants you up there.
Okay. And you have to watch me.
Crap. Is it another dead end? It's like no way to get out of here. What?
I just want to get home.
Well, I'm trying to find a way out. I can't find a way out. Go straight through there. Yeah.
Okay.
Go. Oh, wow. Oh, wait, creek. Go to the creek. Creek. Ah!
Okay.
Okay, go. Ah! Okay. Oh, crap.
It's okay. We can see. Look.
Just step over him. Okay, go.
Yeah. Step.
Just go.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go to the creek. Hurry. This is the way out too, right across the creek. How you gonna get across?
Jump?
Okay, try to jump it. Go.
No, you jump. Okay.
Okay, I'll go first. All right, come on, jump.
Yeah. Yes! Woo! Woo!
Okay, we made it. I think. Oh, it's all wet. Okay, come on. Yay! The way out.
Where?
Right over there.
Yes.
Oh, dead end.
What?
Dead end. What?
It's okay. We can do this.
I'm getting tired of this.
Go.
Just run right through them. I don't care anymore, really. Whoa.
I think we can't make it.
These things are much stronger than you think they are. Watch. Spin it.
I can't make it. We're gonna die. We're gonna. It's okay. Oh, but hey, we're gonna make it. See? It's
Yeah.
straight.
Let's go. We finally found the way out.
We found the way out.
Yay, now we get to have the long walk back. Woo!
Okay, wait. Wait.
What? I'm right here. Come right here. Route.
We made it.
Woo! Oh, look, a blue ball.
Get the ball.
Time for the walk home.
Let's kick the ball.
Speed it up. Okay, kick it.
No, I'm not.
I want to kick it.
No, I'm
This is gonna be a boring walk home. Oh my God, what is that over there? Is that your ball? Yep, she got that for getting out of the maze. Alive. She's safe for now. I wanna get that thing up here. Oh wait, what is it? What? What is this? Okay, hurry. I'm gonna. Yeah, let's go.
Look, watch this.
Ooh. Let me try to kick it. I'm gonna kick it again. You kick it, Lexi. You kick it. Go. Kick it. Woo! Kick it again. Go, go, go. Woo! Let me kick it.
Go.
Okay, let's go, 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 go. Come on, go. We're almost at the house. All right, come on. Hurry. Hurry. I'll wait for you at the porch. Hurry.